China mobile phone. It charges but it doesn't turn on. Charges doesn't turn on. You check with your meter, check the read with your meter. You can see the power button is not ready. The center one is not ready. The outer circle is ready. You check this one's dance first. Check if they are connected to the power button. Then check this up one. You can see this one is connected. This one is connected. It's connected but it's not working. And let's check if it's reading. It's not reading. Then you remove. Check the other side and see if the other side is. You can see the other side is reading. You just remove this one and bridge. Okay. Just remove this chip. Remove this chip and bridge. Bridge together. Get your lead. This one is liquid lead. This is my liquid lead. Once you bridge, you check with your meter again and see if it's ready. You can see it's not ready. Let's put a battery and check. Phone has turned on. And it has turned on. Just follow the process and pay attention. Can still do this to other phones. All those cheap clothes, they are normally the power line. Now let's power and see. You can now power the phone. Like and subscribe, share. Yeah, your job is done. Like and subscribe, share. Like and subscribe, share.